development which has come to my attention in recent times, and that is the encroachment of university lands. I condemn it in no uncertain terms and strongly send a note of caution to all those involved to desist from it or face my wrath. And let me warn the communities, the chiefs, and whoever. The lands are mine, and you are just caretakers to those lands. There's no family land here in Asante. No Abusuapani can claim that the land belongs to him, and therefore he has a right to alienate a portion of the land of the university lands at all. And you can go to any court, take it there. But I'm sure also there will be a judge who will know that the Constitution and the Constitution of Asante says that there's no family land in Asante. And therefore get the lawyers to take me to court. But I'll get the court also to turn over their decisions.